How to fix control panel not opening on Windows 11 10s. To fix control panel not opening on Windows 11 10s, try 1. Update Windows. 2. Run sfc scan, command, sfc/scano, as admin. 3. Check for malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 4. Change display scaling. 5. Disable Windows error reporting service via misconfig. 6. Delete bag MRU and bag subkeys from computer /H key _current _user /software /classes /local settings /software /Microsoft /Windows /shell in registry editor. 7. Try system restore.